Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 17th February 2026, Mashi Masam 5th, Tuesday, Vishwavasnama Sambalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishira Rudo, Mashi Masam, that is Kumbha Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 6:32 p.m. Amavasya, then Pradhamai. Bhaumavasam, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 10:20 p.m. Avittan Nakshatram, then Chadai Nakshatram. Today's Rahugalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guligalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Good time 7 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam up to 10 a.m. Midhuna Rashi, then Kadaka Rashi. Today's Prayachitta milk, Shraddha Tithi Amavasya. Today Amavasya, Om Aim Kleem Sau Hreem Bhadragaliyai Namaha.